Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come in, please make sure you say hello. You guys, if you are catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left corner. Again, make sure you say hello to me so that I know you're here watching with me. If you're checking this out on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun crafty videos coming up this summer. And if you think this is the coolest thing you've ever seen, I would greatly appreciate it if you would share my video. That's in the bottom left corner of your devices, you guys. And hey, how are you guys doing? So excited to be here tonight. Again, got home from work. We went to the grocery store. I have a funny story to tell you, but first off, you guys, this is a company that is called Chalk Couture. So for those of you that are new to what this is, real quick, we are a DIY home decor and crafting company. You will not find our products anywhere else. We have silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have our couture inks. We do have several surfaces like chalkboards, boxwood frame. We have canvas pillowcases and a tote, but you can use this on an array of surfaces, you guys. So you can do this on wood, tin, dry erase board, glass, t-shirts, dish towels. Hey, Crystal, how are you? Happy Sunday evening. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a home business, DIY home business opportunity for $99. Thanks for sharing, Crystal. And you guys, this is the amazing kit you're going to get. So in here, there are 8 transfers, 5 chalk paste, 2 surfaces, your apron, your catalog, all the business supplies you need to get your business started. And it's a crazy amazing deal. You guys, there's over $240 worth of products in this kit, and it's all for $99. And then in addition to that, we do, hey Nancy, how are you? We do get an amazing discount. Hey Katrina, hey Mary Lynn. And then we are also going to be launching in Canada very soon. So if you know any, stop it up there. He's going up there, Canada. So if you know anyone in Canada, please feel free to share this with them because it's such an amazing opportunity. So let me tell you my story real quick. So I have decided that I'm giving up pop or soda, whatever you call it. I call it pop. And we go to the grocery store, and a really good friend of mine told me to try seltzer water. Like I've tried seltzer, I've tried something flavored. I've tried Pellegrino. I didn't like anything. So I'm trying this seltzer water, and it's flavored with raspberry. And I thought, oh, okay, I'll get one of those little Mio things, the little Mio flavored things, so that I can flavor it a little bit. Because like trying to give up pop, I liked pop because it's the fuzzies. So it's seltzer water would be a great fit, right? So I open it up, and you know it does it like lets its carbonation out, and I put my Mio in there, and I shut the lid and I shake it, and I go to open it. It went all over the place. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. All over my face, all over my hair, all over my clothes. I have seltzer water all over me. So, oh gosh, you guys, I just had to tell that funny story because if you would have been here, I was screaming like a maniac. Matthew's laughing his butt off at me. And I'm like, that's it. I'm going down to do a live. I got to go do my live. So here I am with you guys, ready to do my live, telling you my crazy story. But I thought it was funny. Hey, Nancy, how are you? So tonight's design is a cute little design. This is a wooden surface that I'm going to be using. This is like a 6x6 frame. Again, this is one my husband makes for me. But you can use this. We have a beautiful, do I have one around me? I don't, but we have a beautiful board and base. Again, mine are just all full. Hey, Tony, how are you? Oh, Katrina, it was funny. It was so funny. I was screaming like a crazy woman. But we have a beautiful board and base. Like I said, mine are just all full. So I had this one I wanted to use. So this gives me a nice space to do this awesome design that is I Am Original. So it's going to fit perfectly right in here. And I just love all the detailing. And the reason I chose this, because I want you to see, for those of you that have used Cricuts and Silhouette in the past, you would know if you have something this detailed, you'd have to weed all of these little things out. And that's one of the beauties of the Chalk Couture silk screen transfers, is you get all this detailing without any weeding. Like, you're going to be like, this is super, super crazy. So on the back of all the transfers, you guys, it gives you all of the directions. So it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. Once we're done with this, we're going to clean this up with some water. We're going to wipe it down with a Clorox wipe, and then we are going to let it air dry, and then we'll put it right back in here, right back onto the carrier sheet, so that I can reuse it again 8 to 15 times. So super awesome. It's, yeah, right? If you'd have been here, it was so funny. It was, I don't know why I thought I could shake up seltzer water. Honey, can you do me a quick favor? Can you put a little bit of water in my tin pan for me? I forgot to do that. Please. So, the first thing you want to do, sorry. The first thing you want to do, you guys, is write on the back of your transfers so that you know what side the carrier sheet the transfer is going to go on. Okay? You're going to flip this over. Now, I need my little fuzzing cloths. So I'm going to get my fuzzing cloths because this is a new transfer and I am going to be chalking on wood. The other thing, I forgot to mention, anytime I chalk on wood, and my wood has been painted and sanded and I have waxed my surface, I use the Minwax finishing paste in all natural when I use any type of wood to wax my surfaces. I even use this on cardstock, you guys. It works amazing. I love it. And it's really good for the chalk paste and for your transfers. Okay? So now all I'm going to do, right? Not with seltzer water. Yeah, don't put seltzer water in my pan. Oh my gosh, that was just awful. That was funny. So funny. And in my hair, all my glasses, my makeup was all under my eyes. It was funny. Oh my gosh. So, a quick tip I tell everyone. You have a shiny side of your carrier sheet and a matte side. The shiny side is the side that your transfer will go on, just in case you forget to put the words on the back. Now I'm just going to fuzz up my transfer, and this is one of our amazing fuzzing cloths that we have. What's nice, it has the microfiber side for cleaning. Say hi.
Hi.
And then it has the fuzzing side. Say hi to everyone, honey.
Hi to everyone, honey.
Thank you. And then you're just going to put that right on there, and you'll remove it. And all that does is put some fuzzies on the back, because usually the first time you get these, they are super sticky, and when you're doing it on wood, you want to be able to peel it up nice and easy. And that's also what the wax is for. So I'm going to get this where I want it, right on my surface. And if you guys have any questions as you're going along, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer those for you.
And the guy that makes those frames is awesome.
He's awesome. He is super awesome and super talented and super smart. And he's mine.
I wouldn't go that far. Well, the last one, yeah, but not the super stuff.
Yes, you are, honey.
You okay, Superman?
He wasn't in the movie. You guys, I forgot to tell you the movie. So if you watched my live last night, I told you we were going to see the Avengers movie. It's pretty awesome.
But I have to tell you, ladies, just like this one, you will be very disappointed with Thor's new physique.
Yeah, Thor looked horrible, you guys. But I'm not going to tell you if you didn't go see it yet.
But guys, husbands, the flying chick was pretty awesome too.
Yes, she was. Oh, dear goodness, the things you talk about in your household. All right, so I've got this. You know what, Crystal? It's actually wasn't that bad, because I've tried other carbonated waters myself, and I haven't really liked anything. This truly isn't bad. I added the Mio, and it's like I got the iced tea Mio with the raspberry seltzer water. So it's kind of like a raspberry iced tea. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. So all I'm doing is smoothing this out so there's no air bubble in my silk screen. So where you can see through, that's all silk screen. Okay. I'm going to take, excuse me, there you go. I'm going to take my black chalk paste. This is a crazy live tonight. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to stir this up so that it's a yogurt sour cream consistency. So you see how this is a little thick, a little thicker than I would like. Oh, Katrina, he loves to do it. And he just, that man is so amazing when it comes to figuring things out. It blows my mind all the time. I mean, like, he's just amazing how he does my boards. And it's really great for when I have workshops. But, you know, our board and bases are honestly they are one of my favorite surfaces to use when I'm doing local workshops. And what's nice about those is that you can chalk on the front and the back. So, like I said, I just happen to have one of these laying around for tonight's live, or else I would have just put this on our 5x7 board and base because it would fit perfectly. So I'm just adding some water so that it's the great consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm super excited about tomorrow because we have a big announcement coming about Canada, and I can't wait. It's going to be exciting. Exciting things going on in Chalk Couture, you guys. I am so blessed to be a part of this company and the amazing women that I have met. You know, it's just like Crystal and Katrina and all of you guys that watch me, Nancy, you guys, I mean, Tony, all of you guys are just so amazing, and I appreciate you taking the time out to come watch me do a live. It means the world to me, you guys. So I'm just dipping my squeegee right into my chalk paste, okay? And then I'm just going to pull this across my silk screen. Now again, doesn't matter if you go left to right, up or down, side to side. You just want to make sure that you're kind of scraping it across the silk screen. So you're applying pressure and you're pulling it across your silk screen, you guys. And this, I know this is going to look awesome because it's got so much detail. It's going to be like, what? That's crazy. This would be great to give to like your son or your daughter or niece or nephew as a gift to keep in their bedroom. That's pretty awesome. All right, so I'm scraping off my excess, putting my squeegee in my water because again, they're reusable. And then I'm going to get my transfer, and remember, never corner to corner, always left to right or up and down. And are you ready for the big peel and reveal? Because this is just crazy awesome and I can see it already. You guys, like what I'm watching instead of looking down, and tell me that is not simply amazing. That quick. Hey Amy, how are you? That easy, that simple to create beautiful DIY home decor just like that. Seriously, I don't have to weed anything. And look at all the amazing little details. Look at that. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I love it. Now, you guys, if I wanted to make this a permanent design, all I'm going to do is spray it with a Krylon sealer. I would spray this, I'll let it dry, and that is what's going to make my design permanent. And again, you just want to make sure you're using a clear sealer. But it is that simple and easy. Isn't it awesome, Mary Lynn, to create beautiful DIY home decor? And if I wanted to use this transfer on something else, like if I wanted to make a t-shirt or if I wanted to do this on the chalkboard, all I got to do is clean up my transfer. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. So glad to hear that, Amy. Hoping we come to your area soon. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. But you guys, it's that simple, and then I can reuse my transfer. So now what I want to show you is, well, how can I reuse this transfer? You're saying I can use this over again? So I'm going to get out another towel. Okay, I got my towel here. Whoa, he's got a lot of water in here. That man's got me a lot of water. Hey, Susan, how are you? Okay, so I've got my towel. I've got my transfer in my water. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm going to just wipe off any excess ink I have in here. Now, actually, what I could use, I could take my board eraser and wipe it off a little bit inside my water. And some of the chalk paste, by the way, can stain your transfer. It does not hurt your transfer, you guys. Just so you know, not a big deal if it stains your transfer. Okay, so I've got that. Got my transfer right here. I'm going to take my Clorox wipes. Aw, thank you, Katrina. And I'm going to wipe this off with my Clorox wipe. I'm going to do the front. Remove any excess chalk paste you got on there. And then actually, let me see. Sometimes if you do it on the outside, you can get some of the staining off. If it bugs you. Like I said, it does not hurt to transfer if it's stained. I'm going to flip it over to the sticky side. And again, I'm going to take my Clorox wipe and I'm going to wipe it off. Now the Clorox wipes are actually what reactivates the adhesive on your transfers. So I'm just going to do that, wipe it off. I'm going to let this sit. Oh, the board erasers are awesome. I love our board erasers. Take this off to the side. So now I'm just going to let this air dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it dries, I'll put it back on my carrier sheet and it's good to go again for another use on something else, you guys. So it's that easy, that simple, and that cool that I've got something reusable that I can do over and over again to create beautiful designs just like this one. So if you guys have any questions about Chalk Couture, about the opportunity or purchasing products, please let me know. I would love to help you with that, you guys. And today was what? Today's day 8 of 40. So I hope you love this quick and easy, simple designs. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch on this Sunday evening. I hope you have a great beginning to your week. And other than that, you guys, I will talk with you soon. So have a great evening. I'm going to drink my water now. All right, you guys. Good night.